Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something at the cutting edge of fitness tech: emotionally intelligent VR exergaming. Imagine a workout that can sense when you're bored, stressed, or even frustrated, and then adjusts the difficulty to keep you motivated. Researchers from the University of Bath are exploring how emotional sensors could revolutionize virtual reality fitness games by keeping us engaged even when things get tough. Let's dive into how this might work and what it means for the future of fitness. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The Challenge of Staying Committed to Exergaming. We all know that staying motivated during a workout can be tough, especially when it starts feeling repetitive or too challenging. VR exergaming, which combines physical exercise with virtual reality, has been a fun way to stay active, but there's a problem. Just like regular exercise routines, many people quit once the going gets tough or boring. So, how can we solve that? Dr. Dominic Potts and his team at the University of Bath believe they've found a solution: sensors that detect your emotional state while you're playing the game. These sensors can then adjust the game's difficulty in real time, making it more enjoyable and keeping you going for longer. Chapter 2. How emotional sensors could change VR workouts. The idea is pretty groundbreaking. By using sensors in VR headsets or wearable devices like smartwatches, these exergames can track things like pupil size, facial expressions, heart rate, and even sweat levels to get a read on how you're feeling during your workout. Are you struggling? The game might give you a little boost by rewarding you more often or reducing the intensity. Feeling like you need more of a challenge? The game could throw in some tougher obstacles or goals to keep you on your toes. Chapter 3. The Tech Behind Emotional Sensing. Until now, it's been tricky to accurately measure emotional states during physical activity. Traditional sensors, like those in current VR headsets, can be thrown off by movement or changes in the virtual environment. For example, your pupils might dilate because the light in the game changes, not because of how you're feeling. The Bath team tackled this issue by testing a combination of sensors on 72 participants who worked out on VR exercise bikes. They measured everything from pupil size to sweat levels and even electrodermal activity, which tracks your body's stress levels. By pairing this data with different workout intensities and virtual environments designed to evoke specific emotions, like happiness, sadness, or stress, they were able to accurately track emotional states during exercise. Chapter 4. Adapting the game to you. The results were impressive. The researchers were able to match users' emotional states to their physiological changes, and then adjust the virtual environment and game difficulty to fit each individual's needs. For example, when participants were pushing themselves too hard and showing signs of stress, the game would ease up. When they were feeling calm or even bored, it would throw in new challenges to keep things exciting. This personalized approach could be the key to keeping people engaged with their exergames, helping them to stick with their fitness routines long after they'd normally quit. Chapter 5. Guidelines for Game Designers. From their research, the team created 8 key guidelines for designing emotionally intelligent exergames. These include recommendations like using pupil-detecting sensors that correct for changes in the virtual environment's lighting, adjusting for a user's pre-existing sweat levels to more accurately predict stress, using multiple sensors to get a clearer, more personalized picture of the user's emotional state. All of this tech could make future VR exergames much more responsive and engaging, helping you push through those tough moments when you'd usually want to give up. Chapter 6. The Future of VR Fitness. According to Dr. Christoph Lutteroth, county investigator of the study, the goal is to make VR exercise emotionally intelligent and adaptive. As VR fitness continues to grow, whether in schools, rehabilitation programs, or sports training, it's important that the technology evolves to cater to the emotional and physical needs of different users. In the future, we could see VR workouts that not only keep us physically fit but also keep us mentally engaged, pushing us to new levels of performance without overwhelming or boring us. Source: University of Bath. So, what do you think? Could these emotionally intelligent sensors be the future of fitness? Would you be more motivated to keep exercising if your game could sense when you're struggling and adjust to help you out? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of fitness and VR, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech-driven content from Trendstorm. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.